Hey friends, if you wish to fix the page fault in no paged area B blue screen of death error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and go to MRT or the malware removal tool. Now click on next, choose full scan next and let it run through. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click run as administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.